welcome to another episode of Fabflix, developed by Team MicroHard. And I'm Lucas, and we have Betty with us also. So for this version, we implemented a couple new features such as connection polling for both MySQL and also Tomcat. So this will reduce some of the time needed when establishing connection, as well as we can use some interesting features in it. We also established the master and slave instance for MySQL, which the slave will be automatically updating with what the master is written into the database. Also, we have our autocomplete feature and also a full text search, which is much faster and more efficient for SQL searching. So let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to open a terminal window. All right, just let's place it over here. And first thing first, we want to go into our AWS instance. And as you can see, we have our project here. And we also want to, just to show you, we have our master and slave setup. Let's open another window. Let's say this is for the master instance. And let's say this is for the slave instance. So we can log in by over here. This is the one for master instance. And here is one for the slave instance. All right, now that we have all of our instances open, let me show you for the master machine its status. So let's first go into SQL. So log into our SQL, password. All right, and let's type show master status. And we see the master status will be printing here. And let's do the same thing for the slave instance. So let's first go into SQL with password. And let's do show slave status. And we see the slave status over here. Now, let's go into our AWS to show you the running instances IPs, which will be over here. This is our three instances. This is the main, this is the master, and this is slave. And we see their IP are over here. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is SSH into one of our backend machine. Let's say for the master one, we already have it here. We just did it. And let's run a git log. Oh, let's first cd into our REPL. Git log. And we see we have poem.xml, we updated readme, and we just have our updates for our projects. Now, let's go to our website, which is over here. And we have the development tool, the console panel open, which would be right here. And let's log into our Fabflix. And we have our reCAPTCHA still working. Let's go into it. So let's first search LO. And we see there's no autocomplete yet. This is because it's only 2 letters. It's below our minimum requirement of letter count. That's why autocomplete would not perform. And let's click enter. And you see the movies with any word with a prefix of LO will be over here. All of it. And even it's on not the first word that has LO as prefix, it will also show. Now, let's try slove. And we see a bunch of options are showing, and we can use up down arrow to choose whatever one we like. and let's say Love Street, and let's click enter. And we have Love Street over here. And as you can see from the console, you see, as you can see from the console, for example, let's try slove again, slove. You see, autocomplete is initiated, and we're sending AJAX request to the backend server, and we have our result over here. And for this time, let's try to use our mouse to click on any of the suggestion. So let's try Love Street again. The same one is showing, which is great. Now let's try to type love. Love. Oh, we want to type it quickly, so love. So you see, autocomplete only initiates once for our type of love because we have initiated 300 milliseconds of delay. That's why it's not for every single type. The user is typing, it's just running the autocomplete over and over again. And let's delete the E. Delete E. And you see we're using cached result for love. And let's use re-enter this E. And we also see autocomplete initiated, and we're using our cached result for the query love. And yeah, that's it for our autocomplete feature. Now let's go back to our website and open the employee page. So we do this by we will let Betty show us how to do it.
So we'll change to /dashboard and /login HTML.
All right, we have it here.
And we'll enter the username and password for the employee login, which is class TA at email.edu. And password will be class TA. And if we want to add a movie title scaling Fabflix, we'll use add a movie feature.
Add a movie. And title will be Scaling Fabflix. Year 2024.
Let's put a random year. Random director, maybe director 1.
D1, star name S1, start birthday, let's skip, genre, movie. Add movie. And we see this movie is successfully added. Now,
and if we go back to the movie list, /login. And we enter the movie title.
So scaling Fabflix. Oh,
we'll
I think I clicked a little bit too fast. Let's do it again. Scaling Fabflix. Yeah, we have it.
Yes.
So it's in our movie with star and D1. So we have it. That's it for our demonstration. Thank you.